Good morning, guys. I am sleepy. Good morning, everybody. J Hard Crypto, what's up? I'm good. I'm sleepy. One Man Trader, good morning. Chicago Trader, good morning. People on Tradecaster, Bad King, what's up? Storm, Rosendo, buenos dias, SDT99. Guys, I swear if I didn't put like my backup alarms, I would have slept in today on accident. Like I have my alarm, and then I have a backup alarm to my alarm. And then technically I have a backup alarm to my backup alarm from my main alarm. And then I even have another alarm, like at 8:10, just in case. Anyways, how'd everybody do on Friday? Friday, I was not streaming. I was not home in the morning. So I did not stream. What do we got today? Let's see. We got a couple gappers. I only really see a couple that are very interesting, and that is going to be Vlon, VLON. Orchid got a dog? Oh, get a dog. You'll never need another alarm. I have dogs. I have dogs, but she does pretty good at staying calm until I get her out of the crate. She won't wake me up. She might wake me up in the middle of the night if she like starts walking or something, because she sleeps next to us, not in our bed, like in her own crate. And so if she gets up in her crate or something and starts walking around, then yeah. What state am I in? Texas. Morning, Fashawn. Morning, Corey. Morning, everybody else coming in, whether you guys are on TikTok, Tradecaster, or YouTube. So, what do we got today? VLON. I can almost guarantee you 99.99% this stock wants to reach $1. I'm not saying it's going to, but I can tell you that VLON is literally trying to reach $1. So we're gonna watch for this one, see if it sets up a nice flag, see if it sets up a nice breakout. Let's see if we can get at least $1, which is not a lot from where we're at now. We're at 93 cents, so it's about 7 cents more. Honestly, this might even just go right out of the gates, hit $1, and then maybe shorts are gonna start piling in on this one. Dang, my stomach is like making noises. And huh? What the heck? That is weird. Oh, it's because it's under $1. Wait a second. Anybody in here? Are you close to High of Day Huddle Ranch in Texas? I've no idea where that is. What's up, everybody else coming in here? Chicago, quick reminder for everybody: next week, Monday, the market is closed for President's Day next week. Okay. Oh, dang. James, what's up, Juan? Welcome in. Nikki, good morning. Crypto, I don't know what HODL Ranch in Texas. Good morning, Irish Trader. So, anybody that has shorting accounts is telling me right now, every time I try to look it, it's a mining farm. I'll see where it's at. I'll look it up here. Every time I try to click locate shares on anything, it tells me please upgrade platform for short locates. What the heck does that mean? Kevin, can you locate shorts on any of these stocks this morning? Or which one are you looking at? Tell me which one you're looking at, and then see if you can locate. I might have to shoot him a text message. We got 10 minutes till market opens. VLON. Okay, so you can short VLON. It says I need to upgrade platform. So I try to go VLON, couple thousand shares, inquire. Please upgrade platform for short locates. What does that mean? This is a short platform. Alright, I sent them a message and they're pretty good at getting back to me, so I know it's under $1, but sometimes you can locate the shares, you just can't click it until it's over $1. But I tried these other. Well, actually, Kevin, how did you get shorts on VLON? All right, does your broker let you do that? You can get the shares, just not actually short it until it's over $1, maybe. Anyways, but I looked at CLNN, and it tells me the same thing. CLNN inquire. Please upgrade platform. Okay, so to upgrade platform, it should be in the tools tab. But tools, okay. Oh, is it like a update on the thing, maybe? Because I see one that says auto upgrade. Oh, tools auto upgrade, and that's what they just told me. Oh, okay, I see. Broker to short is DOS. I mean not DOS, sorry, Guardian Trading. DOS is a platform. Anyways, VLON, I'm looking to see if we can get a trade long up to $1. To me right now, it looks like it's flagging. I guess Kevin is also looking at that. Go to tools and auto upgrade, then auto upgrade. Yeah, okay, yeah. So Kevin did the same thing. Fat G, good morning. Jessica, I bet I sent you a question about hardware on your last video. Huh? My last video. I didn't see it. Mikey. I'm doing it now, man. I'm doing it now. I had no idea, man. Maybe because it's a sub dollar. No, I think you can locate them even if they're sub dollar and you just can't click it until it's over dollar. I might be wrong. I'm like, I was freaking out, bro. I was like, what is happening? Yeah, I see it. I see it. Anyways, CryptoWire's probably upset right now. I'm surprised you're up this morning, CryptoWire. What happened last night? Crypto, what happened last night? Oh no, I put you right on the spot, Crypto. Oh, I'm gonna have to open this again. Alright, there we go. I should be good now. So let's see. VLON. Inquire. Click it. Ah, there we go. A penny a share. There we go. Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you. You fly a drone at all this weekend? I did, and I've been practicing on the simulator a lot. Man, that thing is awesome. I'm doing like flips and stuff, but I can't do it in real life yet because I know like I'll be flying like crazy through like little obstacles because I have a bunch of like little maps online and stuff on the apps you can fly. And I've been flying it really close to everything and stuff, but eventually I'll crash. And so if I do that in person, it's gonna be bad. Anyways, Oh, I knew that was coming, Cryptowire. I knew that was coming. Yeah, I have to agree with you. So the only reason I'm calling out Cryptowire is because she's a big Eagles fan, big Eagles fan, and obviously they did not win the Super Bowl yesterday. The Chiefs won the Super Bowl, but I have to agree with her that that holding call was BS. The guy literally tapped him on the back. You know, that sucks. I didn't really have a preference of who to win. I don't really care for. I mean, like maybe Patrick Mahomes. I think he's where I went to college. The guy was born and raised like 10 minutes away from it. So I guess I knew people that knew him and stuff. I never met him because he was obviously older than me. But that holding call, you just can't do that with 90 seconds, not review it, and then be that bad of a call within the last 90 seconds of the game. If it wasn't for that, Eagles would have won it hands down, I think, because it was, I think, third down. Oh, I guess I forgot to get back to them. Tell them, yes, it worked. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. Goodbye. I didn't really talk to you, but okay, okay. Alright, can someone explain to me why the catch was incomplete? I thought the only thing that mattered was both feet had to be in. Oh, there was a couple calls too. I don't watch football that often, but there was a couple calls that I questioned myself as like, dude, that was a catch. I think one of the Eagles ones where he caught it and like he had it on his head or something like that and then like landed, but I guess the ball moved as he landed. That looked like a catch to me. Like, there's no way that guy did not have possession of the ball, and they called it not possession. Anyways, that one, and then there was another one where, but this one would have been in favor of the Chiefs. I think they threw the ball at the guy. The guy caught it. Probably had, I would say, a second, maybe a little more than a second holding the ball, and then the guy got tackled and dropped it. That also looks like a complete pass to me, but I guess I don't know how much time the guy has to hold the ball in order to be a pass and not an incomplete pass, because otherwise that was a fumble and then it would have been a touchdown because the guy took it all the way back. Anyways, he needs forward process. Yeah, see, I mean, I watch football when maybe it just happens to be on or a Super Bowl, but I don't watch every game to know rules like that. So if he needs forward process, then yeah, that guy never took a step forward, but it looked like he caught it, kind of like tiptoed both feet, was able to get his feet planted both ways, and then got hit. But the other one, the one that he caught it on his head and fell as like he literally took 3 steps inside, had it on his helmet, kind of came down on it, held it. If Jalen didn't fumble, oh yeah, that one was funny too. He just straight up like dropped the ball. Hi, did you learn trading on your own or did you go to school to learn? Nope, they don't teach you this in school for a certain reason. Broker I used to short garden. All right, so VLON, I mean VLON, I am log biased until $1. Let's see what else we got. We got about 40 seconds. So quick rundown. CLNN. Ish volume needs to come back up. Looks like we had a spike to 243 right now. 243 is kind of the 200 moving average, so would like this one to come back over VWAP, reclaim $2 and see if it gets interesting. Hyper fully selling off. Top's kind of forming a flag. It looks like it broke out of the flag and then pulled back down, so there. VLON is the one to watch, I think, at the open. Comms, not really. And then, of course, Tesla. Now, as far as Tesla and SPY, I think both of these stocks need a little bit more room down. I think SPY needs to go back down to 400, and I think Tesla needs to go down to, I think it's like 180. That's what I would think. VLON, I think this has a spike through $1 at the open, so I'm going to watch this one. And then, like I said, I think Tesla's got a little more room. I think VLON can just rip here. So keeping an eye on the overall market. Velon looks like it wants to squeeze through high, reach $1. Here goes, watching it. Where is your Kevin? Where are you looking to enter this trade? Velon pushing 98 cents. I almost bought that push there, but no trade there. It seemed too risky. I mean, I could have made a little bit on the reversal, but that's not a play that I'm gonna take every single time. Tesla does have a little double bottom here at like 192.89. I think that was low of day on Friday, which I did not trade. Not really. And then low of day pre-market here twice. So Fat G also took that play there on Velon. Good stuff, good stuff. Kevin, you're going to short Velon, man? Tesla, I'm going to wait for this all to settle. I could see further push down on Tesla today, but not if that double bottom keeps holding there. Velon cannot get that $1. I thought that one was going to go straight to $1 there. Even if I would have gone in, I would have kept the big size in, or majority of it, up for the dollar push. Didn't get it. SPY, I could see SPY retest 410. If we start trending it higher, I could see a retest 410, reject that. And then ultimately, I'm looking for the move back down to 400. That's where buyers are really going to step in on SPY again. And then Tesla, before the big run, we got stuck at like 197.98, if you guys remember, for like 4 or 5 days. And then finally went 200 plus, 214, and then now we're back down under 200. But being under 200, now I'm looking at that same kind of levels at 196.97 to see if we. Oh, here goes Tesla setting off. Here's that double bottom down here again. So that was kind of my plan. If this was to pop to like 197.98, oh, Tesla immediate sell off. Dang. No question about it there. Maybe spot pop up to follow this down, but no clean entry, no trade then. Oh, there goes Velon again. Velon watched the move through $1. 98. Velon still has 40 seconds left on this candle, so not gonna chase it right here. I might even start looking in shares on this one just to see if I can get a short in on this one once it breaks $1. So if this candle closes strong on Velon, I could see the long through $1 real quick. Daily, the next daily level I saw on this one wasn't until like 112, 115 almost. There's $1. There's a break of $1. Did not get that. I see a couple of guys or somebody calling out Netflix. Damn, my stomach is hurting even more. What the heck is going on? No trades for me yet. Velon pushing through $1. Tesla did sell off a little bit more. Maybe I get a retest of that 193 level. That was at double bottom on Tesla right now, so I would have to wait and get an entry there. Velon is going. Problem with Velon is I don't want to short stupidly. This one's going through $1, breaking out. If you got this trade here, congratulations, guys. Into a halt. There it goes. So Velon, yeah, I mean, I could see this thing still go a little more. It already went. I actually halted at that daily level 112. Taking money, going without you. That's okay, man. Went without me too. So Fadji also let that one go. That's okay. See, a lot of us let that one go. It's too fast for us. So I need to close some puts that I actually had open on Tesla. I know a couple of you guys remember I opened a couple of them, but I need to close some of these as it's one of them is barely back in the green, so I'm taking that one off because that one was a low entry one. The other one is up a couple hundred on it, and then I do have my put spread that's also up a couple hundred. Or that one will make me like 600 bucks by the end of the week. This week, Tesla's still selling off without me, so I'm gonna leave this going, man. I don't know if I missed my trade. I don't know if I. Oh, Tops is kind of coming back up. Look at Tops reversal. Tops looking for 167 high. I feel like Tops is a stock that likes to run. I feel like we traded this one not too long ago, and it's a stock that likes to run. Yeah, this stock went from 2 to 12 bucks, and then it's went another run from 2 to 6 bucks. So no trades for me. I could see Tesla 193 up there again. I could see another short up there, but I'm gonna be patient to wait for that entry there. Fat J 225 on Tops. Tops could flag here if Tops drops down. Maybe still holds 150. Could see Tops rip through high day as well. Let me look at the volume. As long as this thing pulls back with low volume. VLON is CLN is selling off. I was gonna say VLON is halted still, and VLON should be live at halted at 35 basically, so 49.59 39.59. So still has 2 minutes. Tesla, the only short that I would look for is that retest of 193. That was a double bottom there. And to me, it looks like selling pressure stops, so we might even get a move up to 290 to 190, whatever that level is, 193. I almost took some longs there on Tesla. I think I could see Tesla push up to 193 again. So I kind of want to take a long here, risking low of day. No, I'm going to take that one off right away. I'm going to take that. Oh, there goes Tops through high day. I totally forgot it. I just pointed it out and then I left it. Took a $50 loss. Quick paper cut there. So I'm looking for, well, I guess I was looking for this move here. See if I can get it. Went long on some VLON. Currently up $504 with 500 shares, holding it into this halt. There you go, Darth Trader. DHT, what is DHT? Caught some of that move down on Tesla, but I couldn't have done better sitting at 560. Dang, all of you guys are killing it already, man. The Tesla, the only move I was looking long just because I want to see a retest of 193. VLON is live. I kind of even want to look at VLON since I have shorts now. One more push up on this thing and I might start scaling in some shorts. This is holding that halt level, so this could go for another leg watching it. So that was a weak opening. So hopefully a lot of you guys that were stuck in that halt took some profits as soon as it resumed. Maybe you got some kind of high fills there, but this is looking a little heavy right now. I'm still watching Tesla on this flag. If Tesla still pushes up like the way it is, although to 193, I might take some shorts there on Tesla. Velon looking for a new high day, maybe. Does this get another squeeze or no? Or sells off? What is going to happen? Sells off. It could go right back down to 1. Tesla, this little tiny flag here wants to break. Maybe wants to go down to low day again. Under that 190.89.55 pivot, I could take a short just for a low day push. I did scale into some V-long short there. Watching that one carefully in case it wants to shoot up again. I'll quickly bail out of it. And here goes Tesla. Watching both Tesla and VLON, so I'm not really liking this. But I could see Tesla drop straight to a new low day. The only thing is it's got a lot of time on this candle still, and I don't want to chase it here. VLON, it's kind of holding 1-1 right now, but it's not pushing for the next leg. Neither is Tesla for the next leg down. VLON trying to go for a little squeeze on VLON, watching it. Over 123, could get a nice little run. Could go 140, 150, maybe. Never mind, selling off. And Tesla pushing back up again. So neither trade on Tesla, and I'm holding VLON short right now. I missed long on VLON, but I'm short right now. Tesla, I could see them move to 193. No trades on Tesla or anything like that. Shades, I didn't know what you meant by DHT. Sorry, man. I think you're the one that said DHT, so I'm sorry about that, man. Oh, okay, so it didn't sound like a stock when you said it. That's why. Tesla, I mean, if we reclaim this 193 after that low did not hold like that, I could see the trade 193-ish. I want to put my stop on VLON just so I don't have to super monitor that close. Okay, so this is a rejection on Tesla 193 that I was looking for. Kevin, are you in on some VLON short? What about tops? Tops kind of broke through high, but the difference between tops and VLON is VLON broke through highs and squeezed, so now shorts are in trouble. Tops broke through highs and kind of just sit there, so more shorts are piling in, which means, yeah, I could get a bitter squeeze, but it also means that it looks weak. Oh, I actually just sold off, so never mind. VLON trying to make a little squeeze there. Tesla went right up to this 193, which is where I wanted to take the short, but it kind of pushed pretty strong, so I want to see if it reclaims 193, keeps going long, or we really do reject his 193 and go back down for a low day short. VLAN looks like it wants to squeeze, but you can't take the trade right there. I could see VLAN at least down to $1 again, though. That would be the first place where shorts would start taking profit. So I have not taken any profit on it. I am short on it. My first profit target would be $1. Sorry about that, Shades. People on TikTok, how are you guys doing? Let me see. Fat GV low. I want to see where it bases out. Potentially $1 retest. Yeah. So that's what I've been looking for. 100 of you guys here on YouTube. You guys hit the like button if you guys are watching me trade live right now. No trades for me really besides the short. I took a Tesla small scalp, 50 bucks on it. But other than that, I'm only in on VLON short, and that's okay. I don't think I missed much on Tesla. Maybe the first move down, but I didn't want to chase it. So right now I'm sitting at negative 50 bucks, and I'm okay with this. But to me, it looks like Tesla's just hovering over VWAP and 193. So I'm gonna be looking here for the next leg out. Either we reclaim this 193 and keep moving higher, or we flush back on down to a new low day. If we go back to a new low day, I want to take this 188 and go down to 183. That's the main support on Tesla. If we take out 193 and go higher, I'm looking for that 197.98, what I was talking about pre-market, that area where we couldn't get out of, finally got out of, went 200, 214, and then went right back down. So checking money, tops is pushing, tops over 167, hold 167. I don't really want to take anything on that one under 167. That's where shorts are stepping in. So as long as they're still in, it's gonna be hard to squeeze. Once it's over 167, squeeze can happen any moment. Jumping into tiny size Tesla here as it flushed through VWAP. See if this selling pressure continues lower. Oh, VLON is flushing. VLON flushed pretty good, so I'm in on that one. Have not covered anything, but I kind of want to cover some down there at $1. It's not quite there yet. Tesla's holding here. I would have thought Tesla would have sold off already there a little bit. I don't know if Kevin, are you in on VLON? Oh, I just covered Tesla a little bit, so I'm down 163 on Tesla. That's not a lot. Haven't gotten a good trade to even step it in. That was a 300 share size on Tesla. That's nothing. But to me, it looks like honestly Tesla wants to rip back up through VWAP, so that's why I'm watching carefully. VLON going down to $1. I should cover some here as fat GQ, fat, what is it? Fat GQ? No, fat GQ. Yeah, fat GQ is probably looking for this thing to base at $1, and so many buyers are gonna start stepping in here at $1. Bull broker to use TD Ameritrade. So Tesla did try to sell off here, but let's see if the buyers kind of hold this higher low on Tesla. If this candle comes right back up on Tesla, I'm gonna look for the move through VWAP high. So long. Oh, tops did hit a new high. Shorting Tesla today? I'm not sure. To me right now, Tesla's looking weak, right? Bullish right now. Kind of wants to trap a bunch of shorts here, but I could see the next leg through VWAP again. Kind of like this did here. I could see another candle squeeze here. But no trades right now, so even though I wasn't short up here, I let this thing go. Now tops is over 167, so that's interesting there. I still didn't cover anything on VLON. I thought I could flush. I thought I could get a little flush through one down to 94, retest those pre-market highs. So, but stop is at break even on VLON. So even if I was to get stopped out, that'll be a green trade. Even though it is up pretty decently. So Tesla is selling off still. So maybe my initial thought of short 193 would have been absolutely killer. I missed it. I did call out 193 the whole time, and I don't know why. When it got down to 193, when it got up to 193, I kind of got scared of that bias, and I flipped, and then didn't take that short up there. But that would have absolutely worked. Yeah, I'm down 163. I took a short here, and then I covered right there right away, so I'm missing this. A little unfortunate. And see, this is the thing. I was saying 193 short, 193 short, and I didn't short it up here. I shorted down here, chased it, got stopped out for a tiny loss. Okay, now we want to take out low day. Quick low day here. Let's see if I get it. Yep, Tesla wants to be heavy. Let's let it ride. Let's let it ride. Let's let it ride. Let it ride. Let it ride down. Let it ride down. Yeah, I made my first million. How much? This is it. So now I'm back in the green. I was just down 160 when you asked me. But it wants to base out here. VLON, I did not get stopped out there. So I am still VLON short. I'm gonna get out. So I'm now down $6 on the day. That's good. Somebody held through the dip on tops. Tops is still going. Good stuff. So here's what I was saying, right? You don't want to take the trade on tops when it was under 167, but then broke 167. Shorts are out the way and find a clean pivot. There it is. So clean pivot, 170 now. Pulls back down. Kind of holds that two candles and then makes the run. Now I could see this thing running. Maybe $2 would be the next level on this one. So watch tops maybe gets extended, maybe wants to squeeze, maybe sets up another flag up here. Could get the move to $2. VLON, I'm still short. I wish that one was fading a little better. And then Tesla wants to reclaim or hold this 188 as support. So 188 right here. I'm now down $6 on the day, just on Tesla. My short on VLON is making me more, but I haven't covered anything. I just hope that one goes under $1 because my stop is literally right at break even. So I mean, literally a couple pennies underneath break even. So That'll be unfortunate if it comes all the way up and stops me out. Tops, like I said, tops could get the next move. Could go $2. You got to go 190 first. Reclaim 190. Blair, tops went without you. That's okay, man. It's going without me too. Why is your VLON short not showing? Because that's a different broker. So my shorting account is a different broker, so I have it up here on a different account. But I can't short the penny stocks with TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim, so that's why I have them on a different broker. Tesla, I really have a feeling this is not selling off. So I don't know. There goes 190 on tops. Break a 190, maybe small 190 hold. Could see $2 on that thing, and if it goes $2, that one could sell off. How to make desktop screen looks gray and black. The gray is the pre-market area. So I'm still watching here. Got a runner on tops for Tech and Money. Good stuff. Still over 100 of you guys here on YouTube. Thank you for all of you guys that did hit the like button. Appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are doing great today. Hopefully you guys started off to a green trade. Blair, always leave some runners, man. Always leave some runners. SPY, oh actually, SPY retesting 410 looks like a short to me. SPY retesting 410 looks like a short to me. Tesla aggressive sell off here. Let's see if I can follow this down to a new low day again. I got a starter there now up $100, but I want to see with SPY rejecting that 410 and seeing if NQ wants to sell off if I can get Tesla back down to another low day. Yeah, my back is killing me, dude. I got so many back issues. I also went home for the weekend, so it's a bunch of driving there and back, and ugh, hate driving. So tiny scalp size on Tesla here. Looks like it's gonna be a red trade. SPY retesting 410 could be a good risk to reward short there. Anybody that watches SPY, let me know. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this one. A lot of buyers on Tesla. Right back down to where I started. Oh, there's a little trend line we had. Let's see if we get this thing to keep running up to view up. Oh wow. Pre entry there. Really early entry there. This is where I should have bought right there. I'm gonna take the initials off because that was such a bad entry. You still haven't really picked a direction on Tesla, so I should be almost even avoiding this whole choppiness, but I'm not taking losses, so. So down 300 on Tesla. Tesla test 190 short for me. I don't know. I the only good trade I had was the initial 193, and then after that I've been chopped around, so I'm only down 300. But VLON down again to $1, so I'm happy on that one there. And tops could be flagging, so you guys keep an eye on tops. Tops could be flagging, and tops could rip through $2 if you get a nice pullback here on tops. So I'm actually going to be watching tops now. Down 300 on Tesla on the day. That's very small. But tops is looking interesting to me. The more tops pulls back with this low volume, I could see a log on tops. Even retesting this 170 down here on tops. Oh, now I was long on Tesla and I got stopped out, and then it goes long. Juanches, you still full size short on VLON? Just keep going lower. Yeah, I am, but I do want the break of $1. But I am still full size. Have not covered anything on VLON. So Tesla, I'm still watching. You know, I got myself back down to like -$6, and then I again brought it back down to -300. How to make your desktop screen? Okay, so I answered that question already. Watching VLON here near $1. Momo is down. Tesla test 190 short for me. Okay. Tesla's still chopping around today. Hopefully, it doesn't do this all day. And SPY is still at 410. I think SPY testing 410 could be a good risk to reward. It's not going to be exactly 410, but if you look at not Friday, but not Friday and Thursday. If you look at Wednesday from last week, big wicks down at 410 for support, and then moved for the next leg higher. Kind of looking to see if those wicks today on SPY act as resistance now at 410 30s around there. VLON buyers are going to step in at $1. So if you want a good risk to reward, you get as close as $1 or under $1. If that thing soaks around there, eventually it'll make its pop and could squeeze to 110, 120 new high. Pretty obvious downtrend on that one too, so. Tesla, again, kind of chopping me around, so for now, I'm not really taking a lot of trades on it. Corey, I'm not just seeing the VLON trade. Is it different because you had to borrow the shares? Yes. So, like I said earlier, penny stocks, you cannot short on this broker, the one you're seeing. I have to use another broker. And so, for me to use another broker, it's on a different screen. I mean, I don't have to, but that's just how I do it. Saludos, bro, gracias. And so, I have it on a different broker, so it's not going to show up here. You guys can also see the tight range Tesla's trading in, either 193 to the top side or 188 to the bottom side. So I'm going to be waiting for that trade on Tesla. Either under 188.59 or above 193. I do keep moving my VLON stop down though, because I don't want that thing to squeeze all the way back up. But it's at $1 right now. If that cannot hold $1, you could see VLON flush pretty hard, but Tesla again, a little sell off here. Velon is still holding dollar. What a stubborn stock. You know what Velon looks like? What was that stock? We traded on Thursday because I didn't trade Friday. It was HPCO that it was like at a dollar, $3 or something like that, and that thing just held $3 for a long time, and then finally made it squeeze. So that's what Velon is looking like to me today. Soaking that $1. A lot of buyers at a $1. If shorts get tired of that thing, they could just bail out, and that thing could squeeze and go right back up to highs. Blair saying the 5-minute chart is the truth. Good stuff, Blair. Good stuff, Blair. Keep learning, Blair. Keep learning. I'm in some Tesla small share size short again, but seeing if I get a move down to low a day again. But this thing wants to keep going against me, taking small paper cuts left and right. That's okay. As long as I stay calm and find the good trade, I can make it all back plus more. Velon flushing through $1. I held through this Tesla pullback. Let's see if we get to low a day here. Velon, I want to take this 188.59. That's the level that Tesla kind of bounced and bounced. There it goes again. Ow, my back, man. You guys get tired of me complaining about pain? A 24-year-old shouldn't be in this much pain, right? Velon, you know, at this point, I might be covering some on that. I am up pretty good. Hold on. I'm still in on this Tesla short here. Up in the green, but not much. I was looking for just to move down to low a day, but a lot of buyers stepping in down here. But I am fixing. Kevin, are you in on Velon short still? Anybody else that my short people in my chat? Are any of you guys short bias and in on Velon? Tesla keeps getting pinned down here, so I could see a move, just a quick move down to low a day again. Look at this candle. Tried bouncing and nothing. So let's see if this candle here can take me down to low a day again. No, Tesla's trying to find a low here. I gotta be careful there. Blair saying X-Spawn. Hold on, I'm gonna cover some on this Velon play. So I covered actually a big chunk, but that's okay because I'm just gonna put a stop and honestly forget about this stock because that is a good. Okay, there we go. Blair did call out X-Spawn. If there's any other stocks that you guys think are moving or anything that could make a move, you guys comment them before. Actually, that reminds me, Rome C is not in here today. Raphael, what's up, man? MCT got shares located. Nasty out of Halt. MTC. Okay. Ooh. Raphael is in short on MTC. Awesome. No shorts here. Velon still has a very tight downtrend. This move under $1 doesn't necessarily mean a lot. Xbon, the one that Blair also called out, looks like it's gaining some volume here. So let me look at that one as well. Gosh, why can't I type? I just mistyped this stock 3 times. So Xbon, let's watch Xbon. 394 high. This thing has a lot of resistance at $4 on the daily. Holy crap. Sold off the first day, sold off the second day, sold off the third day, and then today it's up again. So Tops also looks like it's trying to make another leg back up again. Look at Tops. Tops could get us a nice trade here through high of day, maybe a move up to $2. So 193 is high on Tops. Oh, this is the one I wanted to dip on. What the heck? Tesla to me is still not making a move. I got chopped around a little bit on Tesla, but to me it's still, downtrend here, easy downtrend there. It's finding the low at 188, but it hasn't really made a move in either direction. So that is why days like this on Tesla is kind of where I start getting chopped around. But I'm going to wait here and find the good trade. Did everybody have a good weekend? Play some penny stocks on broke AF. Tops is the only one that I could see. You could see Tops break through this high a day and go up to $2. I could see Tops break this, quick pullback, could see the pull up to $2 on Tops. Watch the ask on these penny stocks. So 300 there, 250, 270, 270, 250, 230, 16. Looked like it wanted to break there on Tops. I think Tops is going to break. I think Tops could get $2. But no entry yet. No shorts for you, Vin. On MTC or just in general? Tops trying this 193 break again. If he breaks 193, we could go straight to 2. Man, Tesla's so choppy today. Here goes Tops 194, 195. This candle's so early though. This candle's way too early though. I hate when they break it as soon as the candle opens sometimes, because then you got 40 seconds for buyers to still sit here and try to hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. It's a long time. It gives shorts more comfortable. It gives shorts more I don't know how to say it. It gives shorts the ability to come in short and just pile this candle down and down and down and down. It's harder for buyers to step. Now if this thing pops right over 193 though at the very end of this close, yeah, it's exactly 193. I don't like that. If it would have gone just above it, I would have taken some there. So Tesla kind of breaking downtrend too. And we keep holding these lows down here on Tesla. So small little pullback, 189 or something like that. I could take some longs on Tesla now. A little bit more comfortable. You see that strong support at 188.59, so looking at Tesla here, kind of breaking downtrend, kind of trying to catch a little dip of this same level that we've danced around all morning. I'm in on some Tesla long here, looking for the next leg out here. Doesn't push as much as I wanted it to. It's been doing this all day. Or I think it should make a move, it just doesn't, and it just sits there and hovers. So I want to take, oh, as soon as I wanted to take profit, pull down. It's a little unfortunate. Still, I still like this long. Didn't try it there, so I could get another lower fill. I forgot I still had V-Long, so actually Tops is holding that 193 now. Long Tops for quick break of 2. Long Tops for quick break of 2. 198. There it goes. 198. 199. Buyers are trying to push this to 2. Come on, that is such a weak push. 5 seconds left. Let's see if we accelerate here. New candle right at 199. 2. 199. 200 orders there. There's 2. Do we get the break of 2? On Tops. Quick. It could explode after 2. Here it goes. 400, 300 orders. 320 there. Broke. Weak break. I'm getting out of this. 30 bucks. What the heck was that? What the heck was that, man? What is the action today? Is anybody having fun today? Because I am not. Infinite Scrub saying stop wearing that hoodie. I wear the other hoodie more than this. Fat G tops in 188, sold 197. Good stuff. Tesla, I was in that long there, but look at this. It just doesn't break out either direction. So I was down like 311, 312, so now I'm only down 200 on Tesla. That's not bad. Velon is absolutely. Kevin, please tell me you're in here, man. Oh, Kevin, you are in here. How are you doing today, man? Because I am in on Velon short, and I am riding this thing down, man. Oh, that's right. We do have CPI tomorrow stuff too. So, Kevin, are you in on Velon? You told me Velon this morning, so if you're not in on Velon this time, I'm gonna be a little upset. Ah, there you go. What's your cost basis? I am currently in Bangkok this week, so beautiful here, but no fun with Tesla as the T99. You got it, man. Nice hold. You're 1-1. Have you covered anything? I covered. Oh, you're all out. Oh, okay. My average is 115 on Velon. Look at this Tesla long still working there. My average is 115 on Velon, and I covered half at 95 cents, and I have half right now still going. So that's a good trade there. Is that the only short you hit, Kevin? Man, I was long here, Tesla, this whole kind of tiny move here, but look how slow this thing is moving today. It's kind of upsetting. You finally got a chance to take advantage of small cap. Dude, for real. Sergio, fat, same trade here, low, 189, out 198. X-Spawn was a great short. I guess I did say there was a lot of short resistance on X-Spawn, but being this close to high, I would have wanted this thing to break 4 and then hit the short. I think that's what kind of, when I looked at it, I was like, I think this one can run a little more. Tops has been uptrending this whole time. The only thing is, Kevin, Tops is one that likes to run, and I said that earlier, so that's why when I saw the stock, I was like, be careful with this one. This one likes to run. If you guys want to take some trades on this one does not sell off that fast, I think. If you look at the last couple days, last couple months, this thing went from 3 to 12. This thing went from 2 to 6, and then today it's trying to do it again, so. Tesla finally making a push that I was looking for. I took the long right there. That was my fault. This was a trade I was looking for. Drink some water. Why? I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I do have half of my VLON. Yeah, I don't want to be on that front side. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Tesla's still now pushing, almost going parabolic. Not parabolic, but one, two, three, four, five, six green candles on Tesla. If this keeps it up like this, goes straight to 193. Um, it'll have some trouble there. Or if it keeps the strong momentum, you could just look for a small pullback here and anticipate that 193, this area again. So resistance, support. I mean support, resistance. That's kind of where, that's my target right now. So I could take some longs up to that, or I could take the short there back down. But I want to see what the stock wants to tell me first. You're back. Drink some water. You're back. What? You've been trying to short SPY, but keeps chopping. Tesla finally got some nice volume here. So as that stock squeezed, it started picking volume. So I could see this thing run to 193. So I might take some longs here on Tesla, seeing if I could get this thing up to that 193. We do have a previous pivot here as well, 190, and VWAP there. So this kind of pivot there. So if Tesla pulls back, I might add to this play here a little more. Trying to be patient on this play, but I want to see this move up to 193 again. Tops is still going actually. These are the two candles here on Tesla I'm looking at. Really low volume on these pullbacks here. There's that pivot there. There's the slurp back up. Now I'm looking for this to break out and see if I get 193. If this hits a new low here, I might get out. There's the buyers down there at that same level. There they are again. First candle making you high. I'm looking for this high here and potentially 193 on this trade. Here we go, here we go. First candle making you high. See if we can get a nice push up again, 193. Here it goes, here it goes. Back in the green on the trade. I want this next leg out of here. If this stuffs I'm out. That did stuff so far. But more buyers step back in, still at that same 190 level. That pivot is holding, so I'm looking for the next leg out. Let's see if we can get it. First scanner making you high here. Oh, come on, Tesla. 7 seconds. Too countable. I don't want to cut the trade just because it's not going right away, but I don't want this thing to flush on me and take a bigger loss either. I should have waited for this entry, so I should be green right now in the trade. That was my problem. Again, early entry. Here goes the last attempt. There it goes. Oh, this is the move I was looking for. Now, I'm looking for that new high of here and then see if I can get it 193. If this shows any sign of stuffing, it will fade now, so I will get out. But there we go. There we go. I have 700 shares left, so I'm looking for the move up to 193 still. So I want to take out this high here and see if I can go 193. Oh, showing some stuffiness. Showing some stuffiness. I was up like 600 there. It moved so fast. I think the buying pressure's still on, so I don't think I need to cover unless it really sells off. I think the buyers are gonna come back in here maybe. 30 seconds left on this candle. It did get rejected pretty fast, but I'm looking for 193. That's my last target. Okay, holding still, holding still. 3 seconds left. Give us a nice push, and then next candle, see if we can go back up to high. That's a bad close, so I really don't like this actually. I'm gonna get out. I'm back in the green though. I just did not like that. I just did not like it. On which one? Velon, did I cover some? Yeah, wait. Is that what you're asking? Juan, watch Velon. Wow. No, I covered some. I covered half at 95. I covered half at 95, and I have my stop over $1 right now, which is still like 20, 15 cents for my average. So even if I get stopped out there, I'm gonna be happy with that trade. The market just does whatever this dude wants it to do. I like that. I like that. I like that. I did take some long Tesla here. I was a little early, but I was looking at this quick pivot here. We had broken down trend, and we formed this super triple bottom, quadruple bottom on Tesla. So I thought, you know what, every little pop, I'm going to go back long because we already set that bottom. We broke trend line. So I tried some longs here, missed his move, and then I tried the long there and then got that move there. It was a little early here, and then this one I just ended up stopping out myself. So a little bit unfortunate there, but you know I was down I think maybe $700 unrealized on that trade, and now I'm in the green. So small green day, but green is green. Velon, I'm fully out. I just got stopped out there. James took some now. COSM. X-Spawn did sell off, did nothing. MTC, whoever got in on that one. COSM or COMS. COMS with a nice pop here. COMS, let me look at the daily on this thing. That's the first thing you want to look for. Right now it's sitting at 634. Pretty oversold on this stock actually. Big support. This stock had big support around $6, and so if we get over $6 on this one, it'll be nice. VLON is kind of turning all the way back around. So Kevin, did you short tops at all? I'm actually gonna put this one here just in case. Kevin, did you get in on any on tops? Juan Trades is Juan Trades. Your real Instagram? Juan Trades under. I think that's right. Yes. Yeah, Juan Trades. Juan Trades underscore is my real Instagram. That is me. Yes. If you guys get DMs, it's not me. I never DM any of you guys first ever. So if you guys get a DM, it's not me. If you ever guys have any question, then you can DM my real Instagram account, or you could just wait until the mornings and ask me here. But other than that, I will not DM any of you guys first. So a small day today so far. I'm in the green, which is okay. But I guess my shorting account is up decent. But this Thinkorswim account here is up only 135 on the day. I had some laptop issues this weekend. My little laptop that I always use. Ow! It like finally gave out. I mean, right now it's on, but it like finally gave out. I think it's the battery or some hardware issues because I looked it up. Like I would turn it on, and it just would not hold. It just would turn right off. And so that's an old laptop though. I've had this laptop for like probably 5-6 years, and so if it is a hardware issue, it looks like I might have to be buying a new laptop. But this time, oh, there's the move that I wanted on Tesla, up to 193. Look at it. I could see another short again at 193 though. Anyways, but this time looks like I might actually have to. I'm thinking about maybe actually putting a little bit more money into a gaming laptop, so it actually has like well, that's actually getting stuffed already here on Tesla. Gaming laptop, so it actually has graphics card or better processor or stuff like that, and then that way I can actually now really use it good to trade and maybe even stream if I'm traveling. So I know there's a couple of places where I have to travel this year, and so might be able to do that and trade and stream. Tesla got kind of stuff there, so let's see if this thing wants to sell back on down. Back down to VWAP would be nice. Kind of got stuffed twice here. I was seeing the move to 193, but this just kind of tried going for it twice, and it's not going to. So let's see if we get it pop back down to VWAP. Tiny size here. If it pops up a little bit and still looks weak, I could add to it, but you can see the real volume stepped in on those selling candles there. Does anybody know or have an amazing laptop that they say, oh, this is by far the best gaming laptop out there? Anybody recommend any of them? This looks like long. I'm getting out. So I looked at those, but I mean, I don't know the most about laptops. Oh wow, COSM. You guys, that was a perfect flag on COSM. So I looked at Falcons, and it's literally Falcons are literally like trading computers. So here's the move to 193 still. Asking my son stand by. That makes sense. He would know. Ask him, ask him. Seems like it wants to close green, Kevin. Yeah, so I got out of Elon. The only short I took, so. But what was I saying? So I looked at the specs on Falcon, and it's the same thing. Like you go to Falcon. I mean, I don't know a lot about computers. My friend's the one that built mine, and he's the one that's on the Discord. So if you guys have any questions, and I talked to him, and then we looked at some yesterday and stuff. He actually has one, which is not the newest, but his laptop is like almost $3,000 worth, brand new. You might find him online 2.8 right now or something like that. But he was saying he would give it to me for 1.5, which is a heck of a deal. Um, so I was thinking about that. See, now Tesla's getting a little heavy against 193 again. So we break this trend line and move back on down. Look at the 5 minutes, so extended. No, not extended, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 green candles in a row. But those Falcon computers, I looked at the stats, and it's the same thing. Like they got 30, they got 3060, 3070. Some of them had 20 series. You know, don't you need a write off for real too? Here's that same level up here, that 193 on Tesla that we could not break earlier. Did we break it? Did we squeeze? Or do we reject this level again and come right back on down? This is a move I was ideally looking for when I took the trade here, so I should have been a little bit more patient. I had like 800 shares in this thing, so that would have been a nice trade there. Almost $2 a share, dang. Well, I guess it was unrealized because I didn't take the, my average was probably like 191, but still. Anyway, so yeah, I looked at those Falcons, and they don't seem like they got any different other than uh, being advertised for trading. So, but you know, Rafael, did you cover anything on MTC? You got in on this one, right? X-Bonds done, MTC, COM is still kind of holding, kind of showing a little stuff there, so have to be a little careful. What did Tops do? Tops is probably, no, actually, if Tops keeps going sideways, that'll be good. 5 minute though, Blair, look at that 5 minute. You see that big stuff from 215 down to under 2. That tells me $2 is the big level on Tops. We could not get a close on the 5 minutes over $2, so that's the key level to watch on Tops. Yeah, you're waiting for a reentry. Got short VLAN at 104 just now as well. Good stuff. Good stuff, Rafael. What side do you use to include this on one screen? It's OBS. So I did take another trade on Tesla. I was up like 100. Now I'm up 60 bucks. So I'm up 60 bucks today total in general. So right now, I'm just sitting on my hands. I think for the action that I saw today on Tesla, besides this trade that I for sure missed that I called out, I think, being green today is an okay day. Here's where it falls. Yeah, I could see Tesla have a little pullback now. Again, this 193, little tight uptrend. I could see another push back down unless we just push out of this level here, strong volume, and retest it. Levels on Tesla 193. If we reclaim 193, I'm long. If we don't, I'm short. Back on down. Watching NQ, and NQ is also kind of a nice little steep uptrend, and did kind of form a double top. So I could see Tesla turn around. So I might get one good trade here. If I get this break, if I get the push here, I might add into a short there on Tesla against that 193 and see if we can get a move back down to 190. Good morning, everybody. Took one trade at market open, bought at 101 and sold after halt at 119 for nice 950 winner. That is the sniper trade, the Green Goblin. Welcome back, man. Coming here to flex his profits. Kidding. Good stuff. Sniper trades, good stuff, man. Tesla's still bouncing off that trend line there. So 193, do we break out of 193 or do we reject 193? That's my only question right now on Tesla. Watching NQ, it is kind of at a support too, so this thing might just kind of go sideways. How's it go? How goes it, Juan and Traders? Fat G, what's up, man? Oh, did you leave for a little bit and came back? I got stopped out of VLON short, but still a good profit. They're having my trade sold too early, but made back my last 2 day red days. Basically, see you guys tomorrow. Awesome, Blair. Good stuff, man. Fat G, I took some short on VLON and I got stopped out on my runners, which was like 50% of my shares or my trade. So that was a little annoying, but either way, it was still a good profit trade. Tesla, here goes. Didn't take any shorts there because I see this 193 level that wanted to act as resistance, so now we're breaking out of it. Question, how do you turn off the noise when someone sends messages? It's on my end, I think, if that's what you're hearing. Juan, you just made me $50 off Tesla. Thank you, Daddy. Told you 193. VLAN under VWAP and pulled back above. Interesting. Bradley, what's up, man? Only one trade on Tesla at the moment. 193 to 194 pre-market. Tops topped out once again. I'm still watching Tesla. I don't know what this thing wants to do. It's just slowly grinding up. But I still see this big rejection here. Actually, that level on the NQ trend line is kind of giving out there as well. Oh, thank you, Zach. Hold on, guys. I'm going to get something to eat. I'll be right back real quick. Well, dang, Tesla's still going? VLON, I see a couple of you guys calling out VLON. This thing squeezed and then flushed back on down. Swan will be so pissed and cover. I don't know that I would have shorted that giant squeeze. Tesla's the one that's just slightly climbing. You know, I did mention 193 breaks. We could get a nice run, but I mean, look at this thing. It's going straight up. I'd be interested to see the next resistance, obvious resistance on this thing could be. I mean, I kind of see some pre-market level there of this opening kind of push there. So maybe this is the level where Tesla gets a little pullback. It already got a stuff there. So I might actually scale into some small shorts here. You know, I'm kind of going against the grain. Yep. I have the last couple of days on Tesla, I have not been able to read this thing. Raphael, you did get that on VLON, so congrats. So back down to $200 red on the day. Maybe I should have walked away. Nah, it's just 200 bucks. Now it's only up 60, so it's not really profit. $80 for you, Dapskis. Awesome, man. Awesome. This thing is still going. The next level is this 197 area 98. But at this point, maybe this thing just goes back up to 200. You know, back up to 200 with the where everybody's looking to incredible on VLON. Did anybody reattack that? Kevin, did you reattack some short on VLON? Tesla, I don't know. At this point, maybe take that 195 where I was trying to short from that little pre-market pivot there. Maybe along there, but this thing is still going straight up, so I got to be a little careful. Nah, you've been out. Don't want to touch, to be honest. Tops would have been a nice short. We missed that. COMS kind of going sideways right now. VLON trying to hold a dollar again, but after that flush, holding a dollar, and this thing reclaimed that from 94 cents. Might actually be a stock to keep on watch all day if that thing keeps going sideways. If it holds a dollar, like Kevin said, this thing might want to close green. Maybe squeezes after hour, maybe closes green, goes power hour, or maybe closes green and then goes for it tomorrow. Tesla, this whole move up. Good job, Irish trader. Good job, man. Right now I'm red 200 bucks on Tesla, which is not bad, but I've not been able to catch a good trade on it today. So Dabski's up 160 today. Awesome, man. Thanks to me. I do charge commissions, by the way. What about EBIT? What is going on with EBIT? Look at Tesla. It's days like this that I hate because you literally go sideways for the first hour of market open, nothing, and then when you finally start kind of picking a direction, this thing just goes up with maybe 1, 2 red candles. So unless you chase, and if you chase, you can't take big size. and then goes. It's hard to take the trades. Look at this, straight up from 188 to 196, straight up. Oh, I never looked at EBIT. Sorry. I do have my. Oh, I don't see anything on EBIT. Yin, you waited too long for which one? I mean, at this point, if Tesla wants to be strong, I would look for a 5 minute, or maybe even now with this whole move, a nice 10-minute pullback and go long again. But if you caught this long on Tesla, good job. VLON, there goes again under $1. Maybe just wanted to take me out of it and then go right back down, so a little bit unfortunate there. My thing is with Tesla, I don't. This whole level is full of resistance. 197 is what I'm looking at. Maybe highs of 197.50s. There's so many shorts up here. Or I think, looking at the bigger picture. So this is what I'm kind of looking at. This level's here where we couldn't break out and then finally broke out. We're kind of under that level again. So I'm kind of seeing if this is one to being the resistance on Tesla. But it is up to 197, so maybe this thing just runs one more time. $195 could be a nice little support here. Nope, again, look, never got 195 to add, and see if this thing wants to run again. I would look for a bigger pullback than this, but VLON again over $1. What the heck? High of opening range. That's where I was kind of looking at. But I don't know if I could take just a trade long here after this whole move up. At this one, I could kind of want maybe another pullback, maybe to the next 5-minute level, which would be why don't I have my snap things on? Right there. Ah, frustrating day, frustrating, annoying day. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a little extended, but it's holding, and that's why I don't like this. I mean, this could be the first actual pullback we get on this whole move if this wants to go higher, but this thing just ran 86 to 96, $8. $8 without a real pullback at all, so I'm a little skeptical on this one here. Hopefully you guys are doing great. How's everybody doing today? Still have 90 viewers watching, so green, red. I know a couple of you guys nailed VLON, even pre-market. Some of you guys were all over VLON. Build a guy, small green, fat GQ, tops long 185. I do like that little bit of a reclaim on VWAP there on tops. Tiny green, Bradley Rogers green, Snook green, Brian green on spike calls, holding an Nvidia swing call. Build a guy was green. Irish Trader caught that whole move on Tesla on the way up earlier, so he's green on Tesla. Dabski's on TikTok is green, caught that move on Tesla as well. Here's a pullback on Tesla. Maybe this thing starts holding here. I'm looking for the next 5-minute level. I believe it's that 194.30s. It was small green, but now very small red. Green Tesla 700 for one-man trader. Awesome. Jim's not bad being small red. I'm small red right now, 200 bucks red, but I never got either big green or big red at all. So been kind of sideways all today. I don't know if I just didn't feel ready this morning. I don't know if I didn't. COMS still trying to push. I don't know if I just didn't see a clean opportunity. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but small red so far. Now my shorting account would offset this win here. I mean this loss here on Tesla. So technically I would be green on the day, but this is my main account here, Thinkorswim. Dude, I can't join with you. What you mean? Here, Tesla. This looks like a nice 5-10 minute push down here. I don't want to stupidly jump in here, but there's that 5 minute little pivot there. Kind of this double top. Volume is dying. Volume is dying on the 1, on the 5. I wonder if it got above my daily target and picked up a little extra on safe plays. Good job, Corey. Way to still trade if you see the good setups. 15 minutes of topping tail doji on Tesla. Yeah, but that's because we haven't closed this candle yet. We would still have the next 15 minutes, or I guess if it closes now at 10 o'clock. That's why I haven't taken a long here. I mean, I like the pullback, I like the low volume, but I need to see buyers stepping in, and I'm not seeing that right now. As far as penny stocks, though, nothing on Momentum Scanner and nothing on these previous stocks besides maybe Topps kind of reclaiming VWAP. VLON maybe moving through $1, but you're not going to get a big squeeze anytime soon. I would guess that some of these. Oh, there goes Tesla push down. I would guess that some of these stocks are going to consolidate a little bit longer than this. Here's a 5 minute pivot that I was trying to go long at, so we broke it. Maybe we go short. Quick little push down again. See, these are the trades. You know, I could scalp here and make 50 bucks on that trade there, but that's not the trade that I can scale in big size on, unfortunately. Unless I let them ride a lot, then they might add up profits. Anybody of you here from Texas? Anybody going down to the rodeo? I don't know why I randomly asked that. I guess I just knew people that were at the rodeo this weekend, but comms is moving so slow. Oh, unfortunate Topps failing through that VWAP. Yeah, slow day, I guess. Maybe this is just what Mondays are like. If you guys are green, I would not be opposed to saying, you know what, today's a slow day. There's nothing moving. COMS, I see it, but you see, this is not. Volume is okay, but for one, it's pretty volatile. You getting 10 cents out of nowhere. Like you literally could bought here. You go to 620 from 5.7. That's 50 cents that quick. So I'd be a little careful if you're using this one. Might take my 100 and bounce. That's exactly what I'm saying. Cancel my order there on Tesla because of the 50-minute chart. Where are you trading? Trading on TD Ameritrade as a broker. COMS, I think this one does have the high, right? Yeah, pre-market high is 634, maybe, but everybody's sluggish because of Super Bowl. Too many chips and dip and booze. I wonder if there is coincidence with stuff like that. Like, I'm sure maybe around Christmas and all those kind of holidays, yeah. But I don't know if like I mean not Valentine's, Super Bowl, or like maybe like I don't know other holidays. I don't know. It'd be kind of funny to see if volume is overall less on after those days. Snook Ardo, yeah, I'm pretty much done till power hour. Y'all have fun, and Juan, thank you, sir. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for being in here. Top's short for the rest of the day. I don't know. I think Tops is acting just like Velon, and so both of those stocks could just go sideways all day long and potentially make a move power hour or something like that. Tesla, a little bit of a downtrend here, break. This thing just sold off for a little bit, trying to break downtrend. NQ is back up to hitting highs. So if Tesla wants to run, it's got to get a nice little push out of here. I would like it over 194, 195. Take the long for 196.79. That would be my guess. Unless we're kind of making a giant flag here and the move is to ultimately pull down to that 193 again. Oh, you put what you trading, not where you trading. My bad. Right now I'm watching Tesla, but still no obvious trade. Still nothing interesting. Still in the red. 200 bucks, so at least I keep my red day small today. The most I was up on the day was 60 bucks green, so it's not like even was a bad day. Like, oh my god, I gave so much back. Which one seems stuffy up there? COMS? Tops? Oh, Tesla, yeah. Yeah, so if I get a retest of 195, I could take another short. But this is moving so slow, it's ridiculous. They're all stuffy. Even I'm stuffy. I'm watching NQ too. NQ's having some trouble up there at 12 500s. Tesla sometimes likes to follow NQ. Today is kind of doing it, but 195 also will be kind of a psychological number here. So if we retest 195, I could see the short there. Comms, I'm telling you, comms could go for the high day. That one could flush. That one looks one like a good rug pull. Not the volume is not there, super strong. Boring day, boring day, boring stream. Argent trader joined the team. Is that you that bought the course, man? Awesome, man. Tesla about to sell off here again. Look at this. 193 would be the next level down on Tesla. Oh, no trade there. Awesome, man. Make sure you join that private Discord and ask me any questions you got. Maybe my back hurts because I sit all crooked. You may have to put on your drone headset again to entertain us. I have it right here because I'm gonna practice a little bit after I'm done trading. Uh, I just wanted to see if I could at least scrap 200 bucks to get myself green, but I don't know. I'm not seeing any clean, obvious trades, and I'm not feeling it today. I'm not feeling it. That's okay. Somebody even asked me last week, is there any days where you just don't feel like trading or you just don't see anything? Do you really just walk away? And the answer is sometimes yes, sometimes no. You know, it's part of the stream. Probably today I'm probably sitting here a little longer, but I'd keep an eye on the market. It's not like I'm sitting. It's not like I just turn it off. Like I'd probably, put like right now my next level here on Tesla would be this 193, right? We bounce there, bounce. I mean resistance, resistance. I would look for a long at 193 on Tesla. So I would have had my alert here and see if we get that move down to 193 because I know buyers are going to try to step in down here. So if this was to go straight down to 193, I might take some ads down here, honestly. It's not the long I was looking for. That was the smallest starter I've ever had. I'm gonna grab that profit. Down to this 193 area on Tesla is where I'm looking long. This area right here. Resistance, resistance. I'm looking for that support bounce here. Even if it slightly goes under, try to catch those down there. And we got a tight downtrend too, so I'm looking for the bounce here and then break of this downtrend. Hopefully I get. You know why active trader isn't in today? I have no idea. No, I have no idea. Sorry. Spy is still rallying actually too. Yeah. Well, then again, I don't know. I was gonna say Tesla's up more on the daily than Spy is, but it is kind of annoying. Top strong reversal again, popping back over VWAP. So Fat G's on that one. Trap some shorts on the dip down below. Yeah, that one's trapping shorts and longs. That whole consolidation above VWAP trapped some longs, and then that pushback down under VWAP trapping shorts. So maybe gets a direction here or there as well on that one. Spy is pushing. Spy on my hourly chart has not had a red candle this morning at all today. Tesla, let's see 193. If I get one more ad down here, I could see the long. As long as it doesn't sell off down there so aggressive, but I could see the long down there. Looking for this break of downtrend. I'm very precise with my entry sometimes, so sometimes I wait too long and I don't get the trade, or sometimes I wait for it just enough and I snipe the perfect bottom of it. So that's what I'm kind of looking for right here, down to 193. Like right here, I'm gonna start adding on this pullback. If it flushes hard, then I'm out and maybe call it there. But that's a tiny ad there. Another tiny ad there. 193 is what I'm looking at here. There's 193 there. You see the bounce there, exactly 193. I got in 193.3, so this is where I want to see this stock make higher highs now. Break this downtrend. Let's see if we can get a nice run. If not, I quickly stop out, but Let's see if we can get a nice pop out of here. I'm up 80 bucks on this stray, but I could see buyers step in a little bit more aggressively. Here it goes. There it goes. There's the first candle making you high. Not quite running. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Nice. Oh, a little stuffiness. Break this downtrend. I'd like this break this downtrend go up to 193.76. Absolutely nailed that bottom. Absolutely bottom tick that bottom. Absolutely bottom ticked that bottom right there. This is going to be a hard break though. Hopefully we get a nice breakthrough here. NQ's back up to hitting highs. Come on, Tesla, give me a nice run out of here. I went from negative, what, 200 on the day to now positive 150 on the day, positive 200 on the day, positive 230 on the day. I have 300 shares left. Oh my gosh. Absolutely bottom tick that stock right there. Holy crap. Like somebody said it, this stock does exactly what this dude says. Somebody said it. This stock does exactly what this dude says. Exactly what this dude says. Look at this. I literally added right here. Whoa, that was the slowest cancel. Oh, there we go. That was pretty crazy, actually. And it's still going, so I'm trailing this up now. Love me a $400 day, maybe, after chopping around for so long. Oh my gosh, buyers stepped in down there like crazy. My long wet bye. Wow, what a trade, man. I made I made $600 on that trade just now. I made $600 just now on that trade. I want to see if I get one last spike here and I can get $400 on the day. If this thing breaks this 195, I could get it. There it goes, 395 on the day, 397, 400. There it goes, 6 them out there. Oh my god. $410 on the day. From chopping around all day to finally nail gone for a couple minutes and Juan goes from red 200 to green 400. Do I have training courses? I do. I offer a trading course that you guys can take advantage of. The link is in the TikTok bio, and I stream free, so you obviously saw me just make $600 right there. Called it out, jumped in the trade, make 600 bucks. Now I'm green 400 on the day, and I do have some short profit as well. Caught that trade perfectly there. Um, if you guys want to be a part of my course, you get everything included in the videos. It's a one-time payment, and you get unlimited access forever. And even if I add extra videos to the course, if you request videos, I make them for you. I put them on the course. No extra charge. Everything is free after that. And then everybody that is on my course, if you ever need any questions, any mentorship, any review your trades or anything like that, I will jump in some phone calls with you and go over your trades, explain them. There's a private Discord that you guys all join. Builder Guy took that Tesla ride with you. Thanks, Juan. Up 1.1 for the day. Sergio in the course right now has said the course is great for anybody wondering. I'll go back and study to tighten up all the time. Heavily recommend. Awesome, awesome. So I know somebody just signed. Argent Trader just signed up for it. So Argent Trader, man, aside from the course, you get mentorship. So please ask me any questions you have. If there's any topics on the course that are not covered and you need some videos on, I will make them. If there's anything you don't understand, I will explain it. Review your trades, anything like that as well. So please let me know. If you guys are interested in the course, the link is in the TikTok bio, and then use code 150 off at the checkout page. So 150 off, no spaces. So 150 OFF. So now I am up $400 on the day. I'm really looking to keep the size up though. Today was kind of hard. I didn't really see any good setups or anything like that, so I didn't really push it this morning. Um, didn't find anything that attractive, but the last 2 weeks of January and the beginning of February, I was averaging now $1,000 a day, and so I'm looking to see if I can get back in that range. By the way, you guys saw me take a little bigger loss on Monday. I've literally made it all back, but like $200. So I'm back on track, like never before. I could see Tesla keep running. That was a nice bounce off of 193. So I could see. I wish I would have added more down here. That would have been the winner trade. But now what we gotta watch for is these things like to just flag. They're never gonna go straight up. So this thing could just flag here, kind of make a little flag here, pull back on down. So and actually look at this. There it is. So I could see the short back down to that trend line. Jumping in some small size Tesla short here. Looking for this flag to kind of hold and see if we get a move back on down on Tesla. This thing acting like it wants to break out, but it gets stuffed there, so I'm short against these pivots here. Let me adjust this a little bit. Oh, wow, never mind. Yep, I'm out of that one real quick. Cut it real quick. Dang. Dang, and I bet it's going to fall right back down. Yep. Had the right idea, got faked out, jumped back in. and about to get all my money back. Just choppiness all day long. I'm honestly contemplating just calling it a day. Up 300, so I gave back a little bit. I was up 410 maybe, so I gave back about $100, which is not bad. But I'm thinking maybe just what do you guys think? I mean, I could see the short here still. You see this flag forming. You know, it's kind of a lot of resistance there. I was taking the short, got kind of faked out. I should have held or added to it and looking for the short back on down. And then here's that bottom end of that trend line there. Oh, watch, this is actually going to come back down. Right here, so support, support, and then support there. Yep, it's coming back down a little bit. So again, faked out, a little choppy here. X spawned back from the death. Oh, yeah. 350 looks like a nice little level there. Kind of 348, but 350 in general. But up $300 on the day. Slow day. Good start to Monday, I guess, in the green still. So not a bad day either way for it being choppy and missing a couple of trades here and there. Oh, frick. So I ended up closing one of those options that I told you guys earlier that I made my... Oh, there's a move down. Dang it. I missed this. No. This is exactly the move I was looking for. Look at this. Dang it. I got faked out of it. I was right, though. I was right, and I got faked out of it. Dang it. I mean, we could catch a bounce here. This same pivot here, if this goes straight down to that level, this pivot here and that trend line is going to be there. So double confluence that this might hold. I might take one more stab on this Tesla trade, and I might call it a day. But I'm seeing this giant flag forming here. If this wants to go to the end of it, we could see a bounce here. Quick little scalp at that 193.70s level. So these two pivots here, catch the bounce there, maybe even slurp the extraness, kind of like it did there, and see if we can just get a small pop up. So very similar trade to what I was just trying to short down here. But this would have to be a pretty precise entry for it to work. This has to go red, red, red all the way down to that 193.76, and then kind of touch that bottom trend line at the same time. Small scalp here again. There's the selling pressure back on down as low as possible. Just in case I got a starter in. 2 hours of meetings, CryptoWire. Pretty choppiness, honestly. I got a few trades here and there. I was red most of the day. Here it goes. Here's a pullback. This is where I wanted to look for on Tesla here. One last trade to the long side, possibly. Kind of get this down here, 193. I'm adding just in case this wants to bottom out already. But looking at the big flag, was kind of red most of the day and finally nailed. I literally bought the dip right here, CryptoWire. Exactly right there. And then got this whole move there. So that was good. But that's pretty much it. It's been, I mean, iffy here and there today. There's that 193 there. That's where I want to slurp it up here. See if I get one last trade here. There's a 193 still. Might add a little more, but this will be my last ad. Of course, the one time is not gonna hold it. Maybe I should have stopped when I was up 300. Well, there's a slurp. I need this to get back into that trend line though. I'm not liking it. I'm gonna cut that loss. I'm not liking it. I wanted your opinion on hardware. It turns out my MacBook Pro M1 with 16 gigs is not ideal with Thinkorswim. Do you think I should get the Falcon F15 or F30? Oh, so I was just talking about this earlier. Um, I think those Falcon computers are meant for trading, but I might think that they're a little overpriced since they're advertised for trading, when in reality you can get a computer that has better specs. Oh, come on, Tesla. That has oh dang it. Oh, come on. That has better specs or the same specs for cheaper prices. So I'm actually looking at laptops too, because I was mentioning earlier that mine actually ended up giving out this weekend, and I might finally invest into a trading laptop so I can actually travel and trade on it. Because this one, I mean, it's an old one. It's like, look at this slurp back up on Tesla, man. I just got faked out so many times today. So I might be looking at them, but on my Discord, I think you're on my Discord. Give me a price range as well, and then commented on that tech and that PC questions Discord. Right here, PC setup questions. Commented on here, like just reach out to him, or you can DM him personally, or reach it on here and say, look, I got this much money. Which PC do you think is better, laptop or something like that? And he can look at them and tell you if the Falcon F13 or 14 is good or not. Ideally, they're just a gaming laptop, so it's just got a graphics card and a decent processor. But I think those, because they're advertised for trading, they're a little bit overpriced than what they really should be. So, and we were actually looking at them yesterday, so you could see what the F15 and the F30 have as far as processors and gaming graphics cards, and you could see if you could filter those into a search on Newegg and find a laptop the exact same specs and see if they are. And Nvidia Tech on Reddit said 32 gigs is ideal for Thinkorswim though. That I'm not sure, but you might be, like I said, if it's not Falcons, if it's something else, you might be able to save some money and then get better, more memory if it's something else. Okay, so he's got 16 gigs and runs good. But yeah, commented on that Discord area, CryptoWire, and then him and I can help you because I've been looking for some laptops too. So we'll see. So I just got chopped around all day today, so Hold on. I might. This is kind of wanting to sell off. That was a pretty decent stuff there. Down to 193 again would be the next trade, but yeah, that's what you need, a video card. So that's what I was talking about. Depending on, but some of those laptops, the Falcons, I don't think they have the newest ones, and you could buy one off of Newegg with better graphics cards that probably for the same price or maybe even a little bit cheaper, like a better graphics card for cheaper price. Kind of literally just scalping Tesla right now. Nothing crazy. I don't like doing this, but just to see if I can add a little more or just call it a day and walk away at a break even, whether if it's small red or small green. As a matter of fact, you know what? I can. Let's see crypto art. Let me see. I don't understand video graphics cards. What is that so important if you have a 16 or 30? So I think memory is just like the more memory, the more your computer can handle at a moment. You know, what is the difference, by the way, to buy market and join bit? Have you been watching Spy at all? Yeah, I've been watching Spy today. Spy is on a nice rally, but Tesla couldn't do the same. The only thing right now, Tesla finally broke this huge uptrend on the day, so I was kind of leaning a little bit more short. So here's that big uptrend on the day, and to me, it looks like it's trying to retest it. So I tried some shorts here just now earlier, seeing if we can get this next leg down on Tesla as we broke that trend line there and trying to come up and retest it. So maybe we get to move back on down to 192s ish. But here, I'll show you because I know we looked at him literally last night. So up $200 on the day, that's not the best. So we go here and we go, I think the F, so Falcon Computers, and go Falcon Computers. Is this the same website? No, let's just type in Falcon F15. That's the same website. Laptop. What? This is not what I looked at yesterday. Here we go. So, alright, so let's see. The F15 is 2 grand, right? But if you look here, it's got So it's got an i7. That's the processor. Where's the graphics card on this thing? 16 gigs of RAM. Did I miss the graphics card? Intel operating screen graphics. Here we go. A 3060. All right, so it's got a 3060, um, 16 gigs, and i7. So if we go to Newegg, and it's 2 grand, we go to Newegg, and we go PC and laptops. We go laptops, and then we go. Let's see. Hmm. Gaming laptops. Here we go. All right, processor. It had an i7. It had 16 gigs, and then is it gonna let me filter? Oh, this is one that I was looking at yesterday, I think. Yeah, so look, it's got the same processor. It's got 32 gigs, so double the RAM, and then it's got a 3070 Ti, which that is better than the Falcon, and it's sitting at 1,500 bucks when the Falcon is 2 grand with worse specs. And that's just one that I'm seeing right now. That's that one. This one probably has something even better. Test about to break my pivot at 193. 3070 Ti, same graphics card as the other one. Intel i9, that's even better processor than the i7. Let me see, RAM 32 gigs. So again, also a better computer for 1,800 as opposed to the F15, which is 2 grand. So I think these computers here. You have the Farzard? Somebody said I have the Farzard? The one I just clicked on earlier? Anyways, this is what I'm saying, CryptoWire. I mean, you wouldn't. Some of these brands are going to be known. Like you could find some. I don't know. MSI is good. Asus I think is good. You know, some of these Gigabyte. I didn't know Gigabyte had laptops. Or is that the 4K? Why do you need 4K in a laptop? I guess it's got 4K. How much is the screen? Another thing the Falcons have is a tiny display. Like their screens are tiny. I don't know what size this one is. Okay, so 15 inches. How much is these? 16 inches. Well, really close. What is this other one that we looked at? Which one was it? This one? Same inch size, screen size. Anyways, like I said, CryptoWire, just let me know and we can take a look at them for you and see if you want the Falcon, that's fine. But I use a computer to trade. So Newegg is actually the stock that we were trading the other day, and that's why I thought like I was surprised that Newegg was like rallying like that. I buy stuff off of Newegg. All like my PC is all off of Newegg. My friend that builds PC, all the stuff he gets is off of Newegg. So then you can also, that's just where I can look at them to filter the laptops, but you might be able to find the same laptop on Amazon. Might be, $100 more. Maybe it might be the same price, or you just get faster shipping. I'm not sure. But that was just where I can filter it because I was looking at the Falcon specs and then filter it over on that Newegg to give me laptops. They were about the same. I'm having issues with Tesla on Active Trader using my current laptop. It lags a lot. Only Active Trader? What laptop do you have? Like, I'm not kidding, guys. This is my. Oh, I don't want to really pick it up because this is like fragile now. Like, I unplug it and it dies. I have a Lenovo Yoga, and this thing is Yoga, sorry, and it's like probably 5, 6 years old. It's got an i5 processor, which is way older than the Falcons. The Falcons had 7 and 9, and I think this has an integrated graphics card, so it doesn't even have an actual graphics card. Like it's like integrated. I don't know how to really describe it. Anyways, and I can trade okay with it. I don't trust it to go 2,000 shares on Tesla, but I can open it up and get a few scalps in on Tesla if I needed to when I'm traveling, and it does the job. But I think at this point, this one's given out, so I might be like, just might as well spend the money, and I could still stream when I'm not home or traveling, and you guys can still watch and stuff. Anyways, yeah, Neith is right. Neith, you know about computers as well? If you want dedicated graphics, the laptop will cost you a lot more, but the performance is crazy. Man, some of these laptops are overkill. Like some of those laptops are like 8 grand. I'm like, what the heck, dude? My PC is not even worth that much, but they're crazy powerful. So dedicated video card. Yeah. So some laptops have what's called integrated, and some of them actually like they tell you, like if you go like let's see, if you go to like cost Costco gaming laptops, like hmm. It's usually the Ryzen ones here. Oh, so these all look good. This one, nope. Some won't. I even say graphics card, and it'll say like Ryzen graphics or something like that, but it doesn't give you an actual graphics card name like a 3060, 3070, 3080, 40 series, 20 series. Those are integrated, and I wouldn't like those. You want one that actually has the actual graphics cards. Chicago Trader still got the 1080. And I have a 3080 Ti on my desktop, and my desktop is like my desktop should be overkill. I think so. This is what I use. Everybody that hadn't seen my computer, this is what I use. And then it powers all of this. But that's why I also thought maybe I could get a laptop because I do put a lot of stress on my computer, and I thought maybe I could just get the laptop and then even every day, um, I can uh, I can dedicate the laptop to stream out of, and so instead of putting the stream to YouTube, Tradecaster, TikTok, plus OBS, plus Thinkorswim, plus Trade Idea scanners, plus Guardian Trading Platform, plus all that stuff on my computer, which it doesn't. It handles it fine. I could probably just run Thinkorswim and Guardian Trading on my computer, and then use NDI tools to stream it off of my gaming laptop, and then that way I can take all that stress off my computer. Maybe get some of those lagging times I get sometimes, or something like that. It's had an Acer. Most high-end cards are designed to power high-end games, also known as 3D, which does not matter for trading that much since charts are 2D. I didn't know that. Anyways, guys, if I'm boring you out, I'm up $200 on the day. Not much. I'll go ahead and import it again. I think last time I imported, I was up close to 400. Maybe I was up 400, so I did give some back. Pretty slow day. last Monday I took a decent loss, so I didn't want to start off the week in the red. So I kind of took a little. Oh, hold on, I gotta answer a phone call. All right. Anyways, it's the one that uses a dedicated hotspot like the Netgear Nighthawk for trading. Dell Precision 5820 i9 126 RAM. Main thing to make sure to have is dual GPS. You can run 8 monitors. My computer runs anywhere from 15 to 40% of capacity. Never gets hot. You run 8 monitors? Dang. That's another thing, dude. When I started adding monitors on this thing, I guess because of all the dude, look at Tesla. Like, why would I be trading in here? If I but I don't think that was my computer issue. I think it's Thinkorswim issue that I added so many and it just wasn't Oh wait, no, I was up 400 earlier because I had a $30 win on this other stock. Tops. Yeah, $30 there. Great. Neith Lauren, what's up, man? What's your question? We got distracted today. No trading done the last 30 minutes. Sorry, guys. But that's just how it is. I'm patient for my entries. I was patient for this entry. Nailed that entry. Here, kind of chopped around, gave some profit back. I was adding short up here, so a little bit faked out there. But I think the big trade I missed was this short, and then some longs down here would have been nice for this whole move up that I did not anticipate to just slyly grind up. So unfortunate there, but green to start the week, green to start this new week, and hopefully I can keep it going. My question, not my question. My goal is to start averaging about $1,000 a day. So we'll try to push the size a little bit. Ever tried TradingView? Intraday volume data seems to be off by a long shot compared to what I can see in your Thinkorswim. Intraday volume, this down here? I've tried TradingView, but I don't like the way the candles move. And then again, it's another fee also. Yeah, I can check real quick. Which one do you want me to check? VLAN. What do you want to look on VLAN? OTM. I'm gonna look that computer up. So thank you for that. I'll check it out. See what you got there. 1 minute volume on VLAN. SPY is also still pushing. SPY's got a nice downtrend on the 1 hour. At this point, I could see it go straight up to that downtrend, but I could see a nice rejection up there. So here's what I'm seeing on SPY. If you guys like swing trading or anything like that, you see this obvious downtrend here on SPY on the 1 minute, on the 1 hour chart frame. Sorry. So spiked there, kind of retested at pre-market after hours this day, and then retested pre-market 2 days ago. Looks like now if we go straight, like if we keep this green, 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 green all the way up to that level there, we could catch the short back on down right there. back on down. Or if we break out of here and then consolidate above it, we could see the next leg up again to that new highs. So that's a thing to keep on SPY there. X-Spawn still holding. Yeah, I see X over 360, over 370 on X-Spawn could break out. Is that what you said? Yeah, over 370. Yeah, yeah. So this is my SPY chart. A lot of you guys watch SPY. So here's that downtrend. Here's the move up to that downtrend. Do we sell off again, or do we break out, hold consolidation, and then tomorrow could be a green day looking long on SPY? The bars seem to be correct, but the numbers for each 1 minute volume is totally wrong. Like it's 10x. For which one? So like these last couple of volume candles on VLON, I got almost 300,000. This tiny green one's got 82,000. The red one before that's got 88,000, and then this one before 272. So 82 for the green one, 88 for the red one, and then the one before that 272. See what you got. Oh, Tesla finally selling off again. Back under 193 on Tesla. So back under this 193, we know this 193 is a good level for support for resistance. We could catch another resistance short here if this was to pop up, maybe a little higher, 193.30s. Could catch one last short, move down, potentially down through VWAP if Tesla does not want to keep holding up. Oh, OTM said this X-Bond move is a little delayed. Old news, so he is shorting every pop. OTM, what else did you short today? Did you short VLON? That's the only short I got today, VLON. Tesla up 193.30s. Maybe my last attempt at a short. Right here, push up a tiny bit more. I hit some shorts. It is kind of wanting to bottom out there, but it held TCATO short over the weekend. And then, dang. I didn't even hear that stuff. Oh, after hours, maybe you got it. X-Spawn. Oh, wow, OTM. Maybe you got some extra X-Spawn there because that thing popped up and flushed real quick. And then Irish Trader. Oh, you shorted Silo. Irish Trader caught a little bit on that Tesla there. And then you shorted Silo today. I was looking for one last short here, kind of retest all these levels on Tesla up here, there, short through VWAP, short through 193. This is a level we've been fighting all day, so we could go one last trade here, but other than that, I'm up 200. I struggled today, didn't find a good trade. For the first, any bar and trading view, for the first 1 minute volume right at the open is 53 million volume on VLON. Let me look. Yeah, that doesn't even make sense. 53 volume? 53 million? That's not right, though. Watching you from school, got nothing else to do. Bro, they don't teach you this in school. They don't teach you this in school, so good job, man. Good job. Oh, it's Bryce. What's up, Bryce? I just realized, man. Bryce, when are you going to learn how to trade, man? Bryce over here is like a supersonic legend Rocket League player. No, yeah, I get that, Neith. There's no way there's 53 million volume on one candle. That would be a record. So, maybe you have some settings changed or something, Neith? Because There's no way a candle has 53 million volume. That is weird, Neith. That is weird. Right here, 193.30 is my last play on Tesla probably. We'll be very careful though. I do not want to go red on the day, but I could see maybe another trade here potentially if this thing wants to go 193.30s. There's 193.30s. Do I add on that pop? That popped pretty fast. This is so choppy, it's insane. This is why I don't like trading this late in the day. Rule number one of trading: don't scalp Tesla like this. Yeah, I'm not gonna make anything today, so I'm gonna call it. Are you green on Tesla one? Little bit red, green blind. Yeah, I'm small green. Fat G tops was nice. Fat G was oh yeah, finally you got that breakout on tops. That thing soaked around VWAP, but it was trapping shorts and longs the whole time. I think I'm gonna call it. Today's Monday. Barely up on the day. I struggled a little bit today. I'm not gonna lie. Missed a couple trades at the open. Missed a couple trades that I called out, and then I got into some longs, but just didn't expect this move today. So overall, it was kind of choppy. So Fat G up 1.5K on the day. Going to call it here as well. If you guys are still training, though, go ahead and hang out on the Discord. I know Friday when I wasn't here, a lot of people were on the Discord, so you guys keep that going. It's all free. I don't charge for anything there, so you guys go over to the Discord. This is the place where you can ask for PC setup questions. But other than that, hang out over here. Looks like these guys are chatting all in here, so you guys can check them out. General chat just for everything else. Profit and loss. You can post your profits here. Kevin made 500 bucks today. Good stuff. Let me see who else posted it. Oh, Dabsky is the guy from TikTok. There we go. Give him a little bit of a fire emoji there. What did he make? 80 bucks. Nice, nice. 15%. That's great. So you guys hang out in here. If you guys have any questions about my course, you guys can go to the trading course here. That's the discount, 150 off, and then click this link. It takes you to my course. You can watch the whole curriculum. One-time fee. There's a code for it. I go over brokers, beginner strategies, patterns, advanced strategies, level 2, time and sales, psychology, everything. And if there's something that's not on there, you ask me and I'll make a video for it. And that's it. So I'm gonna head out for the rest of the day. I'm gonna go learn how to fly this drone again. Hopefully, I need to get an SD card so I can start recording because I don't have one. But maybe I'll make a little video about it. So you guys take care. You guys enjoy your day. I hope you guys had a good weekend. I know I didn't stream Friday, but got to see you guys again today. Or got to see y'all's messages again today. But you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. You and Ty got a 2v1 me in Rocket League someday. Alright, y'all take care. Appreciate all of you guys being here. Thanks, Bryce. You take care.